For your first critical thinking forum, which is a discussion forum after you pass your quiz, after each chapter, you will be asked to find the quote at the beginning of the chapter that you were just studying and reflect on the quote. You'll need to look up whoever it is that penned the quote, and that's what this video is going to show you. So for chapter 1, the quote is by someone named Joseph Haydn, and it's a pretty vague quote, if you ask me, but that's what critical thinking forums are for. It's to allow you the opportunity to start using some of these concepts, especially the vocabulary words, the key point words, and ideas that you were introduced to in this chapter. For those of you that don't automatically know who Joseph Haydn is or was, or maybe you do know but aren't sure, I'm going to show you a great scholarly academic resource through the Axe Library online website that you can use that beats the pants off of Wikipedia or just doing a Google search, which hopefully by now that you're on a university campus, you know Google searches are to be discouraged most times. So I'm going to go to the Pitt State Axe Library website and direct your attention to the Research and Information section of the homepage, Databases A through Z. The online reference site that I'm taking you to is called Credo, C-R-E-D-O, Academic Core. So you would come to the C tab and then scroll until you find Credo Academic Core. This is a reference site of thousands, 864 reference books with millions of full-text articles from a variety of publishers. So this is not music specific, it's all of these disciplines with just a variety of opportunities here. So you're going to take the name that you're looking up, Joseph Haydn, okay? And you can do a basic search, topic search, a book search. I would just do a basic search until you start getting used to this. If you are on campus, Credo will go ahead and open up, no problem. If you are off of campus, you'll be asked to log in with your GUS PIN. So do so, and you can get to this. Now, you'll notice that we've hit about 480 some odd results for Haydn. So we're going to filter this down to arts and leisure, and in particular music. And that takes us down to 80 some odd. So this should be limited to the reference books specifically geared towards music. So when you can see here that this site will give you the basics about the article. So in this resource, there's an article with 233 words. In this resource, this is going to be a lot more thorough. It's got over 3,000 words and so on and so forth. So you can't go wrong with any of these. You just want to make sure that you're choosing the right name. For instance, this is Michael Haydn, not Joseph Haydn. So let's go to this big thorough one. The Harvard Biographical Dictionary of Music is going to give you a large amount of information. If you want a little bit simpler, you can go back and get the shorter article. Just make sure that it's the right person. So obviously it's a composer born in Austria, 1732, and died in Vienna in 1809. Gives just enough information that might, send you the right direction. You'll want to definitely listen to music by this person. So from here, you could go to YouTube, or on campus, we also have Naxos, which is a classical music database. And I can show you that in a different video. So you get to know their recordings. You can even Spotify Haydn and listen a little bit, and then go back to that question and follow the directions for the assignment. You'll want to include the quote from the beginning of the chapter, initiate a thoughtful, insightful thread. Your paragraph should have at least 4 sentences, hopefully more. You're going to respond to one of your colleagues' posts and be thorough and supportive. And you're going to reply to at least one response to your original post to get marked complete for this exercise. Have fun!